Hi, welcome to this video. In many applications, we ask the user to input his or her password, but we have to make sure that uh, we cannot see his or her password on the screen. For that, we have to mask the password. So how we can do that using Python, we are going to learn in this video. So first of all, you have to use a library which is known as getpass. So you have to write import getpass, and if you get any error, that means your library is not installed. So if you're using Anaconda, then you can go to Anaconda prompt and run pip install getpass. And if you are not using Anaconda, you can go to command prompt and run similar command like pip install getpass. So once the library is installed, you can restart your IDE, whatever you are using, either Jupyter, Spider, or any other. So once you have imported this library, import getpass, then you have to create a variable for your password. So I'm creating a variable by name of password is equal to, now we have to take the input. So we can use input function and we can write enter your password, right? So this will ask the user to enter his or her password. But what is the loophole in this, that we can see whatever user enter here. So let's write ABC123 4. So I can see this text here on the screen, but using getpass you can mask this. Let's see how. So let's write password 1 is equal to getpass dot getpass, and in the brackets we can print our message for the user. So we can write enter your maybe Gmail password, and once I hit enter it will ask me for the password. So let's write ABC345, enter, and this way we cannot see the password that is entered here. And now we can view that password by printing this variable. We have to write print and the variable name in which we stored the password, run it, and here we can see the password. So in the backend it has stored the password in this variable which is password1, and you can utilize it anywhere, maybe to connect a database or to connect Gmail account or maybe any other usage that you want to perform. So this is all about this video. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it.